Post-separation legal conflict. Couples can choose the easy way or the more complicated route. The easy way is negotiation. The complicated route is litigation. Anyone who decides to use the justice system to resolve conflict in a separation or divorce must have deep pockets or be insane or crazy. Most people cannot afford the economic and emotional costs involved in going through a judicial procedure. Alternative means of conflict resolution. However, there are other ways to manage and resolve the conflict that can be quicker, easier, and less costly. The facts are that they are rarely used. According to one Administration of Justice website, the reason behind this is given as, quote, "This is fundamentally due to the fact that they are not known by the majority of citizens. Therefore, states must implement measures that achieve better knowledge of them and greater dissemination." My opinion on this: solicitors and lawyers are the main point of contact. The reality is that parties in a situation may never be offered the opportunity to avoid direct conflict, and solicitors are quick to jump on the justice system, which adds fuel to the hot embers that may be flickering because of the way a separation or a divorce has been initiated by one of the parties involved. Emotions may be triggered if there has been any form of abusive behaviour, infidelity, or angry reactions. The main advantages of alternative dispute resolution are confidentiality, flexibility, and a faster dispute resolution process. First, the solicitors and lawyers really need to consider ways of reducing conflicts in these situations. Second, the laws of the state must mandate that couples are offered the means to try to reach agreements. Third, encouraging their use or imposing sanctions if they are not used to try to reach an agreement before going to court. When this is not achieved, they can then resort to jurisdiction. What are 4 types of alternative dispute resolution? The most common types of ADR for civil cases. Mediation. Mediation is a method of dispute resolution in which 2 or more parties voluntarily try to reach an agreement by themselves or with the intervention of a mediator to reach agreement in an impartial and neutral manner. Conciliation. A conciliator makes proposals to the parties, and it can be public or private. Arbitration. If you choose arbitration, you cannot go to court later, but must abide by the decision of the arbitrator or the arbitration tribunal. Negotiations. Towards the best solution. Direct negotiation between the parties by themselves or assisted by their legal advisor or through their lawyers is also an appropriate method of dispute resolution. If couples think first and then use communication to discuss possible outcomes, then most issues of conflicts can be resolved amicably. However, if one party is angry and abusive towards the other party, there is most likely no chance to come to an amicable settlement because they will not listen. Where one party has more power, control, and financial resources, they are in the driving seat. They can and do go straight to litigation with an "I must win at all costs" attitude. They will throw money away on legal representation in the hope that a lawyer will get them the outcome they seek. Wrong attitude. In order to come out in a win-win resolution, with both parties accepting a reasonable outcome. There needs to be open discussion, and if the parties are unable to communicate directly, the communication needs to go through third parties who can bargain in a calm and resolved manner. Most people do not want to be involved in lengthy battles. It is never a good position to be in, health-wise, time-wise, and emotionally and financially. It can drain your energy and your money. This is why I launched a petition on change.org, so that this litigation and drawn out post-separation legal conflict can ultimately be avoided. If you agree with using an alternative dispute resolution process, then please sign this petition and share this petition. I would be extremely grateful. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.